Hey, it's Thinker here. Today, I bought two choice grade bone-in ribeye steaks in a package for $47 from Costco. I'll be cooking one of these over charcoal fire today, and this will be enough for two people for dinner meal. So let's get to it. First, lightly coat the entire surface of the steak with olive oil. And take the seasoning mix and cover the front and back and all around the edges. The ratio of this seasoning is 1 part salt, 2 parts coarse ground black pepper, and 1 part garlic powder. This is a thick piece of meat, so give the steak plenty of seasoning coverage for good flavor. Now the steak is seasoned, let's work on the charcoal fire. Fill up the chimney starter all the way to the top. Start the fire using a Weber lighter cube. Place the chimney on top and let the lighter cube do the work. It will take about 15 to 20 minutes. I cheated a little by using a leaf blower and the charcoal was ready in no time. Dump the charcoal into the kettle and push them to one side to create 2 cook zones. Place a grate to burn off any leftover food from the last cook. Scrape off the burn residue from the grate and place the lid back on. Now the grill is ready. Place the steak over the fire and let it cook for about 4 minutes on each side. After 4 minutes, flip the steak and cook for another 4 minutes. All I'm doing right now is searing the steak to get that crispy charred surface. Searing is done, so take the steak from the direct heat and place them on the other side of the grill. We will finish the steak in indirect heat. Depending on your steak thickness and the charcoal temperature, the overall cook time will be different. I'm using my old school thermometer to monitor the temperature. Put the lid back on and wait. Today I'm going for a rare steak, so my target temperature is about 120. Now the steak is done. Let's pull it off the grill and bring it inside. We'll finish the cook by resting, so let's cover the steak with aluminum foil. Let it rest for about 10 minutes. After 10 minutes of resting, remove the foil and start cutting. Yep, crispy sear on the outside and warm red in the middle. I would say this is a perfect rare steak. I ended up throwing a portion of the steak back on the grill because my wife wanted to kill it one more time. But overall, I thoroughly enjoyed the steak. I'd call it a success. If you'd like to see more of cooking videos like this, please click the like button and subscribe to the channel. Also, check out my Instagram handle at MeThinker. Thank you for watching and keep me thinking.
먹자.